Hi, everybody. I'm going to show you a secret social media hack that lets you capture Facebook leads organically. I call it the double O method because it's all about optimizing your profile and getting leads organically. So it's the organized organic method. All right, so who am I? My name is Miko, and I define myself as the daughter of Bernice Patton, who unfortunately lost her battle with colon and liver cancer in 2008. At that time, my life was thrown into a whirlspin because I love my mother very, very much. She was my very, very best friend, and losing her made me want to end my own life. And so I wrote a book called How a Postage Stamp Saved My Life. And in it talks about how I overcame that, and then 21 tips to defeat depression, to skyrocket your self-confidence and achieve your goals. So now I'm on a mission just to help people, not only to feel better about themselves and about their lives, but to help them to learn different ways to make money. And one of the ways that I found is to become an affiliate. So Ron was very gracious enough to let me show this method to his list because I have benefited from being an affiliate of his apps program. So let's get started. So there are 5 ways that you need to think about or to optimize on your Facebook profile that's going to get you leads organically. One is your cover photo. The second is your profile picture, your intro section, your bio link, and your featured photo. Those 5 things have to be captivating in order to get people to click so they can learn more about you. So let's just do a quick Facebook demo to show you exactly what that looks like. So as you see here, this is my Facebook profile, and it has a very captivating picture, and it's telling you what I do, and there's an arrow showing you to click that get started. So once you click that get started, you will see that it takes you to this particular page, and this page actually shows you different links. So it could be a link to your website, it could be a link to your funnel, it could be a link to your affiliate program that you're about, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So right here, this goes to Ron's affiliate product. So when people click on that link, they're going to this particular opt-in page. They put in their name, they put in their email, and then they actually can get directly into Ron's webinar about the apps program. So that's number 1. Number 2 on your profile is your profile picture. People don't really think about it, but people actually click on that picture. And when they click on that picture, it takes them to this page. And once again, you can put a link on there. The link could be to your affiliate link. Link could be to your website, but anything to show people something about what you do and gets them interested in learning more about you. That's number 2. Number 3 is your intro section. So right here, you need to be succinct and tell people exactly what you do to help people. Number 4 is your bio link. This link goes to my Facebook Messenger because that's what I do. That's how I help people. And so that's where that goes. And then number 5 is your featured photo. So when people click on that featured photo, they will actually go to this page again. And once again, it just shows you different links that you can put in there, or you can just have one link just to show people what it is that you do. So this is the power of having your Facebook page optimized. So when you make a comment on something, people can see exactly who you are. They can learn more about you. And then if they're interested, they can get on your list organically. So those are the 5 things that I wanted to show you. And let's go back to so what do you need in order to get this done? Well, basically you need an hour of your time. It doesn't take that much time to optimize your Facebook profile. Of course, you need a Facebook profile, and Canva, that's what I use in order to do all my graphics. And it's a free software, and Fourth thing, you just need a lead magnet, your website, or just your affiliate offer. So that's it, you guys. I'm a reader, so if you want to read about how to do this, you can go on Medium and you can read more about it. I wrote each thing out, can show you how to do it. If you want to learn more about Ron's apps program, which I highly recommend, it only takes a couple of sales to make back the money you paid for the program. So I made that money back and then some. So definitely get started with Ron's program. If you want to get started with Canva, you can do that totally free. And if you need more help, you can check me out on my website. And when you go to my website, this particular pop-up is going to pop up on my website because it says, want to learn more about how a stay-at-home mom makes money. And then once you hit that yes, show me how, it's going to take you into that funnel to get on Ron's program, to watch his webinar, to learn about the apps program and how you can earn money too. So I just want to say thank you for your time, everybody, and hope to see you in Ron's program. All right. See you. Bye-bye.